Hey guys, today I'm going to be making Eggland's best buffalo-style chilaquiles. So to start, we'll need to crack 4 Eggland's best eggs into a bowl. Make sure to crack your eggs on a flat surface so that the shell cracks evenly. Nobody wants any shells in their eggs. Then season with salt and pepper and whisk away. Once the eggs are mixed, we're going to scramble them in a pan over medium heat with a little bit of oil. Compared to ordinary eggs, Eggland's Best has 25% less saturated fat. In a skillet, add your favorite enchilada sauce, some buffalo sauce, and then your thick cut tortilla chips. Once the tortillas are coated, add some black beans and those beautiful fluffy scrambled eggs we made earlier, and just keep it warm. Now for my favorite part, the fried egg. Crack an EB egg into a heated pan with some oil. As the whites begin to set, just spoon over some oil until cooked through. Sunny side up fried eggs are my favorite, and the fact that Eggland's Best eggs are farm fresh and have 6 times more vitamin D than ordinary eggs just makes them that much better. And Eggland's Best hens are even fed an all-vegetarian diet. To serve, plate the tortillas, drizzle some ranch dressing, the fried egg, avocado, black beans, and some fresh cilantro. Dig in and enjoy.